Are you considering Ally for the long haul? You've seen their high-yield savings accounts, their no-fee checking, and maybe even their investing platform. But the big question looms, is Ally reliable for long-term use, or is it just a flash in the pan? That's what we're here to break down today. When you're entrusting your money to a financial institution for years, you need confidence in its stability, its customer service, and its ability to grow with you. Let's start with a foundational peace of mind: safety. Ally Bank is a fully digital, FDIC-insured bank. What does that mean for you? It means your deposits are protected up to the federal limit of $250,000 per depositor, per ownership category, just like with any traditional brick-and-mortar bank. So from a pure security standpoint, your money is just as safe as it would be at a major national bank. They also use a multi-layered security approach, with features like multi-factor authentication and fraud monitoring, so you're protected online. But beyond basic security, what about reliability in terms of services? Over the years, Ally has proven its ability to innovate and expand its offerings. They've moved from just a high-yield savings account to a full-fledged financial ecosystem. They now offer checking accounts, a variety of CDs, money market accounts, and even investment and home loan services. This suite of products means you can consolidate your finances with them as your needs evolve, whether you're saving for a house, building an emergency fund, or planning for retirement. Then there's the customer experience. A big concern with online-only banks is the lack of physical branches. But Ally addresses this with 24/7 customer service and a user-friendly mobile app. While some online reviews mention wait times, many long-term customers praise the accessibility and responsiveness of their support team. Plus, the mobile app consistently receives high ratings for its ease of use and features like savings buckets, which help you organize your financial goals. So, for long-term use, Ally ticks the boxes. It's a financially stable, FDIC-insured bank with a history of strong customer satisfaction and a growing range of products to meet your future needs. The key is being comfortable with a purely digital banking experience, but for many, the high yield rates and low fees make that an easy trade-off. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.